Hurricane Michael is a hurricane of the worst kind. There's nothing else that can be said about it. We're looking at 145 mile an hour sustained winds. It could possibly get stronger. Unfortunately, the window to evacuate is coming to a close. If it hasn't already done so for many of the citizens that are in Florida.
Just to hunker down. We've been through so many storms, and the media sometimes gets things a little bit, crazy, and people jump and run, and and they should do that. But we've just been through so many that we're comfortable staying, so we're going to.
Well, we've been on that same road for over 100 years. My family has.
Okay.
And I've seen worse than this.